Secrets for Beautiful Eyes is a simple self-help guide that can assist a girl in making their eyes brighter and more beautiful for a day at work or a night on the town. This book discusses some techniques in applying eyeshadow in different ways and how to use different color palettes as well for the shape of their eyes. Basic brown breakups. Every girl always thinks that bright makeup looks good in the fashion magazines, but they may question how it would look on themselves. Any girl can blend some of the brightest colors of eyeshadow with some neutrals, and they are already off to a great start. Playful eyes. A girl should always make the most of their natural eye color. A girl with hazel or green eye color should try eyeshadows and eyeliners in the Purple Hue family. Girls with green eye color should also use neutral eye color because this will make their eye color pop